I'm Amanda, and I want to thank you so much for joining me today for Dinner Party Guru. I started entertaining in my home back in 1974. I was newly married, and I wanted to share my happiness in my home with our friends. I was quite ambitious. I actually, if you can believe it or not, invited 20 people for my very first dinner party. Back in the day, it was very popular to have a theme party, so I asked everybody to dress in white. That was the very first thing I did, and then after that I started thinking, I really have to do this. Of course, I didn't have 20 plates or 20 glasses or 20 anything. So I went to my local rental place and I rented 20 classic white plates, some very simple stemware and flatware, and I was off and running. The next thing that I had to challenge for was I didn't have the money or the time really at that point in my life to worry about flowers, but I wanted flowers because I knew that was, to me, an important part of a dinner party. So I couldn't, as I said, afford that. I couldn't even afford to go to the grocery store and buy flowers, which I love to do now, and which is a very good tip for you from the Dinner Party Guru. But anyway, to make a long story short, I went into the yard and I picked peonies and azalea branches and made what I consider to be, and still consider to be, a very beautiful arrangement down the table from those things from my yard. I tell you guys, all these years later, I still remember that night. I still remember the magic of that night. It was so wonderful to be in my home with my friends, entertaining, serving delicious food and great wines. It was just so special, and I still treasure it today. And all these years later, I still love to entertain. It's one of the joys of my life. I've learned a lot of lessons during those years of doing that I'll share with you. I want to make it fun for you and easy. And most of all, I want to help you create some magic. So let's get started.